Welcome to RapzWorldWide software, and this is the world's global news on why Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp got hit by an outage. But before we begin, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates coming from this channel. The social media giant Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp is experiencing a hit of massive outages since Monday of the 4th of October 2021. A tracking site Down Detector was showing outages in heavily populated areas like Washington and Paris, with problems being reported from around 15:45 GMT. Facebook said it is aware most people are experiencing some difficulties, but they haven't yet been told what could be the matter. One might ask, what is outage? Well, outage is a period when a power supply or other service is not available, or when equipment is closed down. In this scenario, it is Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp that is experiencing those known to be the global source of communication most people rely on to get the job done or communicate with friends and relatives. The world is shaken heavily by this outage. Ian Cher, who is the editor-at-large at CNET, told Al Jazeera that judging by early reporting and the error messages users received on Monday, it appears most likely that something is configured incorrectly. He said, "My bet is that someone pushed a button wrong or a cord got unplugged, which seems very minor, but the reality is that we've seen these things before where suddenly something is configured incorrectly and entire swaths of the internet are not available. This is how this affected Facebook and people who invested into it." Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you have any opinion on why is this matter occurring.